I'll speak about heparin-induced thrombocytopenia. Originally known as an adverse drug effect, we have now figured out that it is a misdirected bacterial host defense. And this makes clear that misdirection of immune responses can generate life-threatening complications. And by understanding now the pathomechanism of HIT on the molecular level, we understand that other prothrombotic disorders in humans have very similar mechanisms. So HIT is a model disease to better understand immune-mediated thrombotic complications. We understand mechanisms how antibodies and immune responses can induce thrombosis, and this can now be transferred to other antibody-mediated diseases, and this may open new avenues of diagnosis and treatment. A main topic will likely be the cooperative effect of antibodies. Immune diseases can be compared to switching on the light in the room. And up to now, we looked at the light bulbs because this is where the signal is coming from. But the really bad guys are those which press the light switch. And we only start now to understand that we have the cooperation of those antibodies pushing the light switch and those antibodies producing the light. And in combination, they are disease-causing. And this will change diagnostic approaches and probably management approaches. It was absolutely instrumental for my own work. The field has become so complex that none of us can cover all the aspects related to a certain disease. And if we are going into translating basic science results into application to our patients, then we need the expertise of several colleagues, and this can only be achieved by collaborative work in research. I came into the field more than 30 years ago by observing patients whom I treated with heparin, as my supervisors told me, and they got worse and even got killed by this. And nobody believed me at the beginning that heparin can have an adverse effect causing thrombotic complications. And my entire career was built up pursuing all those who critiqued me that these mechanisms are true and to really prove the concepts that heparin can be prothrombotic. And my strong advice to the next generation scientists is to not take everything what your peers tell you for granted, but have your eyes and minds open. And if you come over to an observation which does not fit what the more experienced generation tells you, to have the guts to put this into question and to find answers to the open questions.